Let's clean up our data set a bit using these three functions: text before, text after, and the text split functions. So we are going to use them now. So for example, we want to first of all get the username of our employees, right? So we want to get their username, emma.jones. We are going to use the text before function. So let's apply it. Text before. So we are picking this, right, comma. What is the delimiter? The delimiter is the at. Our at is the delimiter because we want to extract this. So use at, then yes, that is it. So now we have done what? We have been able to extract the username of the employees. So the next one is the department. So our department is embedded in this employee code, sales, HR, IT. So let's extract that. We are going to use the text after. You're going to use the text after, and this is it, right? So the next is our delimiter. What is the delimiter that we have here? We have a common delimiter known as the hyphen. So let's do that. Pick our hyphen, comma. Then for this, we are going to make use of instance number. And what this means is that we are actually extracting sales, right? And this sales, it comes after one hyphen. Then also there's another hyphen over here. So the one we were using is the one um before the sales. That will be the second hyphen. That is why we need to write 2 over here, and that is it. Close it. So we have extracted our department. So for the product code, the category and the product ID, we have the product record over here, and all of these three, they are embedded in the product record. So we want to extract them together at once. So we're going to use the text split. So for the text split, it's going to split them together into those three columns. So what is the common delimiter that we have among them? We have the pipe bar. So we are going to make use of that, use it to do what? To split our data. So that is it. Can you see now? So you can just do what? You can just drag it down for the rest of the information. And as you can see, we have cleaned up our data. Now it's good. We can see the department, we can see the product code, the category, and the product ID. Of course, if you want to do other things as well, you can as well break down some other things over here, break down the employee code. But now we have seen the concept of text before, text after, and text split. So if you find this insightful, don't forget to give me thumbs up and follow for more tips like this. I'm going to see you in the next video.